Once the contract is signed and the deposit is paid, our dedicated team springs into action to turn ideas into reality. Then, the produce order will be placed, our skilled professionals evaluate the requirements and design specifications to ensure we perfectly meet our customers' needs. Our engineering team crafts detailed designs. Each machine is tailored to deliver exceptional performance and reliability. We use high-quality materials and select components that meet our strict standards for durability and efficiency. In the production workshop, mechanical parts are processed using lathes, milling machines, shears, bending machines, and CNC centers, turning raw materials into precise components. In the sheet metal workshop, the machine frame is welded and polished to create a strong and sleek base for assembly. The assembly department accurately assembles each packaging machine with skilled craftsmanship according to the drawings. Wires are systematically labeled and connected to the control panel, while peripheral electrical devices are carefully wired together. A laser printer marks unique identifiers on each part, ensuring seamless integration during assembly. To guarantee the machine can accurately package products, assemblers conduct detailed debugging post-assembly, testing with actual client materials. Assemblers and electrical engineers work closely to ensure optimal machine performance. Quality is our top priority. Before leaving the factory, each machine undergoes rigorous testing and quality checks to meet our high standards. Those who pass are awarded the All-Bloom label, signifying their readiness to venture into the world. All-Bloom Intelligent combines outstanding craftsmanship with continuous innovation to deliver top-notch packaging solutions worldwide. Whether it's an order or a complete packaging system, every step reflects the passion and expertise of the All-Bloom team.